to stay fit and maintain a healthy diet. Staying fit and maintaining a healthy diet are important for overall health and can help prevent a variety of chronic diseases, including cancer. Here are some tips on how to stay fit and maintain a healthy diet. Exercise regularly. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming, most days of the week. Resistance training, such as weightlifting, is also important for building muscle and maintaining bone health. Eat a balanced diet. A healthy diet should include a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Limit processed foods and foods high in saturated fat, sugar, and salt. Control portion sizes. Eating smaller portions can help control weight and prevent overeating. Use measuring cups and a food scale to ensure that you are eating the recommended serving sizes. Hydrate. Hydrate. Drinking enough water is important for overall health and can help control hunger. Aim for at least 8 cups of water per day. Include healthy fats. Eating healthy fats, such as those found in avocado, nuts, and olive oil, can help lower cholesterol and improve heart health. Plan meals in advance. Planning and preparing meals in advance can help ensure that you have healthy options available when you need them. Avoid eating late at night. Eating late at night can disrupt your body's natural rhythms and lead to weight gain. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to help maintain a healthy weight and improve overall health. It is important to note that everyone's needs are different, so it's best to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to understand your specific needs and how to achieve a healthy diet. A healthy diet should include a combination of different types of exercise to provide the most benefits. Here are some types of exercise that are recommended for a healthy diet. Aerobic exercise. Aerobic exercise, also known as cardiovascular exercise, is any activity that increases your heart rate and breathing. Examples include walking, running, cycling, swimming, and dancing. Aerobic exercise helps to improve cardiovascular health, increase endurance, and burn calories. Strength training. Strength training, also known as resistance training, is any exercise that uses resistance to work the muscles. Examples include weightlifting, bodyweight exercises, and resistance band exercises. Strength training helps to build muscle and improve bone density. Stretching. Stretching exercises, such as yoga or Pilates, help to increase flexibility and reduce the risk of injury. High-intensity interval training. High-intensity interval training is a type of cardio that alternates short bursts of intense activity with periods of rest. This type of exercise is efficient in burning calories, improve cardiovascular health, and increase muscle endurance. Balance and coordination exercises. Examples include Tai Chi, dancing, and balance exercises on a stability ball. These help to improve balance, coordination, and reduce the risk of falls. It's important to remember that everyone's fitness level and needs are different, so it's best to consult with a healthcare professional or a certified fitness trainer to develop an exercise plan that is appropriate for you. Incorporate more plant-based foods. Eating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts can provide a wide range of essential nutrients and help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Plant-based diets are also typically lower in calories and saturated fat, which can help with weight management. Watch your sugar intake. Consuming too much added sugar can lead to weight gain, diabetes, and other health problems. Try to limit foods and drinks with added sugar, such as soda, candy, and sweetened cereals. Eat more fiber. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Good sources of fiber include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Limit alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption can increase the risk of a variety of health problems, including cancer. The American Cancer Society recommends no more than 2 drinks per day for men and 1 drink per day for women. Keep track of your progress. Keep track of your progress by taking measurements, keeping a food diary, or using a fitness tracking app. This can help you stay motivated and make adjustments as needed. Listen to your body. Remember that everyone's body is different and may have different needs. Listen to your body and adjust your diet and exercise routine as needed. It is important to remember that a healthy lifestyle is a lifelong commitment, and it's important to make sustainable changes that work for you. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and healthy habits can help prevent chronic diseases and promote overall well-being. How do I continue to eat a healthy diet? Eating a healthy diet can be challenging, but it is an important part of maintaining overall health and preventing chronic diseases. Here are some tips to help you continue to eat a healthy diet. Plan ahead. Plan your meals and snacks in advance. This will help you make healthier choices and avoid impulse eating. Keep healthy foods on hand. Keep a stock of healthy foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins in your kitchen. This will make it easier to make healthy choices when you're hungry. Cook at home. Cooking your own meals allows you to control the ingredients and portion sizes, which can help you make healthier choices. Eat mindfully. Take the time to sit down and enjoy your meals, without distractions such as TV or phone. This can help you pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues and prevent overeating. Experiment with new foods. Trying new foods can help keep your meals interesting and prevent boredom. Be realistic. It's okay to indulge in your favorite foods occasionally, but it's important to balance these with healthy choices. Be consistent. Stick to healthy eating habits most of the time, and don't get discouraged if you slip up occasionally. Get support. Surround yourself with friends and family who support healthy eating habits and make healthy choices together. Get educated. Learn about different types of foods, nutrition facts, and how to read food labels. This will help you make better choices. Find a balance that works for you. Remember that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to healthy eating, and it's important to find a balance that works for you and your lifestyle. It's important to remember that making changes to your diet can take time and effort. Be patient with yourself and don't be afraid to seek help from a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian if needed.